Today I am happy to tell you about this 65 watt USB-C power adapter. This is an excellent power adapter. I personally have three of the wall. It stays there and just sticks to the wall. Haven't had it fall out once that I can remember. The cord and attachment to the power block is very durable. It is very easy to slide the attachment right into your laptop, as you can see right here. If you're looking for a well-made 65 watt USB-C plug, this is a great choice. Of these, this is my third one that I've purchased, not because the other two broke, but because I have needs in different places for a USB-C power adapter, mainly for my laptop and also for my kids' Chromebooks. This is an excellent, durable choice. I also recently found out that this supercharges my phone. Compared to my regular phone charger, this one charges it extremely fast. The prongs can fold in for a nice compact design here, so when you put it in your backpack or your bag, you're not poking anything or sticking anything. It comes with a nice little Velcro strap so that you can wind up the cord and pack it nice and tidy in your bag. A nice grippy surface on the outside, very easy to plug into